Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, for Father's Day, we got one of these KingCamp Oversized folding chairs. Stay with us, we'll let you know how it is. Here it is, KingCamp chair. Look at this. It comes in a nice case. Put this up, put it over your back like so. Let's see if we can get it out of here and set this little guy up. There's a drawstring right here. Get the legs out of the way here so we can get this little guy out. There he is. We'll get over here in the floor and set this little guy up. See how it does. Alright, here we are. Set this guy up. You just grab it right here. Pull it apart like so. Spread it out. There it is. Well, here it is. That's what it looks like on the back side. Okay, it's pretty heavy looking, pretty stout. Got a little pouch here on the side. I think a water bottle will probably fit in there. Let's see. Yeah, look at there. You can sit down in this. Y'all bear with me. I got a bad hip right now. Alright, this is nice. Pull your water bottle out. Get you a little drink. Yeah, I like this. Good for sitting out watching your kids play baseball or football, soccer, whatever they're playing, okay? I watch grandkids a lot doing that, so. You could put little crackers, peanut butter crackers or something down in there, you know, little packages, whatever. Set that right up there. Easy to get out of. Got a mesh right here so you can get air through there. I like that. So anyhow, there it is. It's KingCamp. Go check these out on Amazon. I got a link to it down below in my description if you want to go there. Okay. In the meantime, I'm just going to sit down and take it easy. Yeah, I can handle this. Y'all like this? Good night. Yeah, I could sit here for a while, I think. Alright, we're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below. And when I wake up, I'll go read it, okay? There's links in the description below where you can find this on Amazon. Go check it out. And go check out the playlist. Got all kinds of things up there. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Well, as much as I hate to wake up and get up, show you how to fold this up and put it back in the holder, a container where you can put it on your back and carry it like a backpack, okay? See how easy it is to get out of it? I like that. Take this little guy right here, fold it up like so. Take the bottom, get water out of the way here. Get the opening here, slide it back down in there, pull the case back up on it. Uh-oh, I missed one of the legs, didn't I? Gotta get all the legs in there. There we go. Get the handles down in there, it'll hang up on it. Hang up on something over there. There we go. See, slip right down in there like that. You got it all down in there. Grab this, pull the drawstring like that. All right, we got it like that. Grab this little thing right here, over your back. Let's go to the ballpark, okay? Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.